Yenko Ghana Premier League in my standing game by Quitting St. Pimo, Elwak Sports Stadium was the venue of attraction. Odwani Hdima Sabrino, na Interlight for Nediwa Mufia, one edge house of for Aquaba. 90 minutes of soccer fiesta, Kings in the Banivino, a quail Kukusimu, our Nebi, Meso Nebi, Ubian with me Pusunyon Quatina, Coach Prince Yao Usu, Interlight for head coach. Next time of the giant after the gamer, on board drone.
The two teams played well, and I could say that we possessed the ball a lot than they did. But what happened for the results of the game, we didn't take our chances. So that's what I think. It was a very good game on the both sides. It's football. Well, you're playing against Hasselhoff. I know more of this Hasselhoff midfielders. So I need to also beef up my midfield and then put one out from front. And I knew they have a very good midfield. So if I go out there with two, they overcome it. You saw how they were playing. They play about 4 guys in the middle. So that was the trick. Yeah, I think the outside guys sees it very difficult for us, but it's not. It's how we train. I force them to put the ball on the turf. When they put it on the turf, they'll get used to it. And if someone comes here and is not good putting the ball on the turf, we have problems. So we are trying to take advantage of it. It's okay for us. It's good. But the cast was coming out too much on our side. That was my only problem with the whole game. But he did very well.
Usu Interlight for head coach no papa onebo fun ka ba to hwese na o ka brofo a ne kontin yi ti sa fase ahoma na enya sem ketwa kra a chese utimi se draw nyae no na nani age ho se na nema esi course Drafko Lugarosic coach penyipa ono so ane kita kumase Asante Kotoko eno Has versus Interlight Agokansie ne na se emfa no ho bia batokopie mo ha o chese na okoma hasofufo happy Valentine's keke inti utwamu wako na Drafko Lugarosic ne se mode baidi.
Of course, any club which you play against Kotoko or Hearts, like today Liberty, they're going to give you a good challenge. And if you are not 100% in, for sure you are coming in trouble. And it's lots of pressure, and you couldn't make any proper assessment. Also because the rain was there and the pitch wasn't so good. Because on that kind of the pitch, also you couldn't show so much quality because you couldn't control in the same time body and the ball. But you know, for me, I just came maybe 1 hour ago with the plane. Because I want to know Ghanaian league, I want to know better Ghanaian players and Ghanaian clubs. I just came with the plane and now I'm coming back to the same day. Hearts of Oaks is always Hearts of Oaks. That means you couldn't underestimate. Doesn't matter. But I'm not saying about only Kotoko and Hearts of Oaks. For sure, or again this year some other club will jump up like last year, the champion of last.
Drafko Lugarosic Kotoko for head coach and Atene Council didn't summer to so what translated in a session in the middle from Paddy of Yakwa or Peso who Ghana Premier League in the city year and into a too far Eddie Fikumasi Babara Sports Stadium in nature Elwak Sports Stadium on one Casada Nick Kutra Wisui Agokansie Interlight and a house of food for Eddie Pimso and Rano or say house of food and Kui and Farm only Ak rivals now has nice and it's here Nessa Kotoko ethic lead our table house of food and your 1 point our Himua or the better if you finish a whole baby Yakubu Mohammed and so CB account our Premier League media and will be account Ashe 2 goals our Agokansie case with the pass bitia boa e man start no so nyama etia kui e dia ma we su yegina na e dia nenso som no SC Jeffers Health Limited madama o de Jeffers do ita hwe ba ko pe na etachiri Jeffers do yi e mema nom e man so nom on setime ka bi bitia boa e man nyama etia kui dia ma above all Jeffers power capsules member do no ene usi su a sudwe e never as did mesrew Mansanka Jeffers power capsules eno ene do ba kwa e bitia sa boa e mo bo adwuma be se don hwe ha ene achiri am yetimia sa jiwadi Jeffers power capsules you so a etimi boa e ma behwe no na se we yitwop mo be ba na o se sanda ho na aduane so aben bo modin da se on sabitia ka Jeffers power capsules Tigo network ba kwa munya kekare bo modin da o setimi kan no so bitia boa e ma niam etia kwa dia ma o madama woman the techri boa media Agokansie on sempan sakaye Valentine's Day edition of Agokansie the Ebreo no medin the Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace and am ginem Edison Shelson Kwi Ebreo Sergio Manucho Elboy and I feel so osmosis and my kama okupima they just say all the wonderful guys and the cameraman with me sample about jacket out to say no suka krabia toy and I just say what the abon the cardigan bidia bigin hanya sem ketwa krabat jumadi e twa no ho e Ghana twa no twa so adia na mawoshi bubuashi kaneshi abubuloshi feda baka kopimbo meka dan so mada kuma gofodua so hu san kede bodua sma kese brima ponten fade kete krachi bi so du wini baka so anya no kwati poko so jaman akosumo ene ne hye so ye fancy ya erade entire ni ma the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.